Someone sneezes, and you say, "Bless you." But why? It's not just manners, it's ancient fear. Back in the 6th century, sneezing was seen as a warning sign, especially during the plague. People believed a sneeze could mean you were about to die. So Pope Gregory I suggested saying, "God bless you," to protect the soul from death. Others believed your soul escaped during a sneeze, and the blessing kept it from being stolen by evil spirits. And just like that, a superstition turned into habit. So next time you say, "Bless you," you're echoing a 1,400-year-old survival ritual. Follow for more weird history hiding in plain sight.